The solar-powered generator 200W peak/100W rated is a portable power station designed for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, and anyone seeking a renewable energy solution for their power needs. With its lightweight and compact design, this generator presents an interesting option for those looking to harness solar energy in a versatile manner. At first glance, the generator features a sleek build and is equipped with a solar panel input, making it accessible for various outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, or picnicking. The unit's peak power output of 200 watts and a rated output of 100 watts allow it to power small appliances, charge electronic devices, and run lights. This versatility makes it a valuable companion for both short trips and extended outings in nature. One of the standout features of this generator is its solar charging capability. By utilizing solar panels, users can recharge the battery using sunlight, reducing reliance on traditional electrical outlets. This is particularly beneficial for those who spend time in remote areas without easy access to electricity. The generator is also compatible with various solar panel configurations, giving users the flexibility to choose the system that best suits their needs. In terms of usability, this generator is designed for simplicity. It typically includes multiple output options, such as AC outlets, USB ports, and DC outputs. This allows users to charge or power different devices simultaneously, addressing a wide range of power requirements. The LCD display often included in these units provides real-time information about battery status, output load, and input charging, which can enhance user experience and make managing power consumption easier. When considering where this generator fits into daily life, it's important to note its suitability for both recreational and emergency applications. During power outages, it can provide a reliable source of energy for essential devices. For outdoor activities, it can efficiently recharge batteries for cameras, phones, or other gadgets, ensuring users stay connected and powered throughout their adventures. In conclusion, the solar-powered generator 200W peak/100W rated offers a compelling combination of portability, solar charging capabilities, and versatility. Whether used for leisure activities or as a backup power solution, this generator serves as a practical tool for those looking to explore the benefits of solar energy.